Teach me how to pray, God. The fact that you started this intuitive writing is already a way of praying, sweet child. It's in this receiving that we can be in contact, so that you feel me. The plant medicine is another way, at least for now. The fact that you are writing celebrations, gratitudes, and desires every day, even when you don't feel like it. I want to acknowledge you for starting this process more intentionally. Going to church, like you are doing sometimes, can also help create a practice so that you start feeling your connection with me. Singing mantras is also another way. Just like you felt today that it takes some time for the body to feel the energy flowing after the somatic practice. It is the same with prayer and feeling me, as I am always with you. Breathing consciously is another way. You will find your own way to connect with me. Follow your pleasure. Go to beautiful churches with beautiful gardens. You will find one where you can also do devotional practices. The church in France is totally worth exploring, and the priest there is a great man. In this moment of your life, it's more complex to get there. Don't be afraid of the process, as you will be like a fish in the water, and the priest will feel that you need gentleness. The message you received today, gentle worship, is the direction. Ask me tomorrow about worship, and yes, about prayers too. I love you. This was a moment in my life when, after so many years of spiritual practices, I felt, after my father's death, that with a lot of pain resurfacing, that only God can save me, and only God can fill in the not love inside of me. And it's interesting how in the spiritual communities we kind of run from the concept of God. And we call this energy the universe and all that is, and we kind of go around this concept. And while it's a beautiful and deep path to find God within, for me, I reached a moment where I had to connect with God all around me. And in humbleness, I had to bow down to the greater God. And this is powerful. From a place of knowing that God is also inside of me, from a place of knowing my inner worth, my inner power, to decide to kneel in front of God. So this is the practice, if you feel like it. Light a candle. and find your own way of praying, of connecting with God. Hi! Thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.